Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll delve into a full guide on how to use Notion for music playlist organization. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up Notion and create a new page. This step is critical because it's where all our music organization will take place. We're essentially setting the stage for our organization system. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating separate tables for each music genre. You can name these tables based on your preferred music genres like pop, rock, classical, and so on. This helps us because it categorizes our music and makes it easier for us to find a specific genre when we're in the mood for it. Next, let's populate these tables with our favorite songs. In each table, create new entries for your favorite songs, ensuring to include the artist's name and album. The reason we do this is to keep a clear record of each song and make it easier to find in the future. Then, we'll add a mood column to each table. This allows us to tag each song with a specific mood, like happy, relaxing, or energetic. This is important because it allows us to quickly identify songs that match our current mood. Now let's add a last played column to track when we last listened to each song. This step is important because it helps us rotate our music and ensures we're not just listening to the same songs over and over. Finally, we'll create a top picks table. This is where we'll add our all-time favorite songs, regardless of genre or mood. It's a quick go-to list for when we want to listen to our absolute favorites. Now that we've organized our music into tables, genres, and moods, we've essentially created a comprehensive music management system right within Notion. This system not only organizes your music, but also personalizes it according to your mood and preferences. In conclusion, using Notion for music playlist organization is a practical and effective way to manage and enjoy your music. It's all about creating a personalized music experience that caters to your unique preferences. And with that, we wrap up our guide on how to use Notion for music playlist organization. Thanks for joining us, and remember, keep your music organized and your playlists personalized.